Hello, teacher. My name is Giner Julian Ruiñañez. I am from San Agustin town. I am 19 years old. I am farmer student. Occupation. I am systems engineer. I'm not. I live in Los Cauchos, San Agustin town. I am in my free time. I like to practice read football activities. Talking about my city town. What are the main touristic places in the city town? The main touristic play in town are archaeological park als tree hit. What is the typical food in your city? The typical food in my town is the typical food in my town is the sancocho and tamales. What are the main celebrations in your city town? The main celebration in the city are always San Pedro and week of cultures. What activity can you do city town? In my city I can in my town I can usually practice football and basketball. Sí, it is teacher. Gracias.